Hey, what's up everyone? It's Komal and I'm back with a new nail hack. So you want to paint your nails perfectly so that your nail polish will last longer? You have turned the right video on because today I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. I'm going to walk you through simple steps of painting your nails perfectly so that your nail paint will last longer. So let's get started with the video. Before painting your nails, first thing you want to do is to remove any old polish that you have and clean your nails. So grab a cotton ball or cotton pad and any nail polish remover that you have and gently start removing your old polish. The most important thing I want to mention here is if your nail polish remover contains any acetone, then please use cuticle oil to protect your nails from getting damaged. So now that our nails are clean, we are ready for start painting them. So we'll start with a layer of a base coat first. This will help to protect your nails from any staining. I'm choosing here Wild Nails 365 2-in-1 base and top coat. Its code is NC02, which means you can use this same product as a base coat and a top coat. Why? Because I don't want to invest in two different products. So just place your hand and apply a base coat to all your nails. The next step is to choose your favorite nail polish color. Well, I think I want to paint with this Nika Lilac Cupcake 73. It's very pastel-y color. Now place a brush in center of your nail and stroke it downwards to cover the entire middle portion of the nail. And then feel both the side of your nail in curve motion that matches your cuticles. Do this on all your nails and let it dry. To make this polish even more solid, we'll apply a second coat using the same method. Now we'll apply a same top coat to seal our nail polish, and it will also give a nice shine to our paint. Never forget to apply a horizontal stroke like this. It will prevent your nails from peeling and chipping fast. If your nail polish has spread out of your nails, take a earbud or a small paintbrush and dip it in a nail polish remover and gently remove the nail polish that is giving an untidy look to your nails. So that's it, girls. Hope this video was helpful to you. If you have any more ideas, then please feel free to share them in comment section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.